Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Red Roof Inn Southfield. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Red Roof Inn Southfield is located in Southfield and especially designed for longer stays, with all rooms featuring a microwave and refrigerator. The hotel offers free Wi-Fi and a 24-hour front desk. The hotel also provides guests with paid laundry and upgraded bedding with extra pillows. In the morning, guests can enjoy a free grab-and-go breakfast consisting of coffee, muffins, breakfast bars and fruit. Daily housekeeping services are provided for free. A grab-and-go breakfast is offered. The property offers free on-site parking. An attraction within close proximity to the hotel is the GM World HQ. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.